Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing hardware and settings so the reader can talk to the phone. Plug an Apple certified Lightning or USB-C adapter to the iPhone, then attach the SD card reader firmly. This prevents intermittent connections. Once done, unlock your iPhone and wake the screen so iOS can detect new accessories. Make sure the card is seated correctly in the reader and that the reader's indicator light, if any, shows power. This step reduces false faults before software checks. Next, you'll let iOS recognize and expose the card. Open the Files app and check Browse. A new entry named like the reader or SD card should appear under Locations. If iOS shows an accessory prompt, tap Allow to grant permission. This lets the system read file metadata and directories. For camera cards, open Photos and use Import to copy images. For other files, use drag and drop in Files. Make sure to wait until directory indexing finishes finish by safely transferring and ejecting so you don't corrupt data. Copy or move files from the SD card into iPhone storage or iCloud and confirm transfers completed. Then unmount the card and files or disconnect the reader after a brief pause. If there's no unmount option, power off the reader first. If the card isn't recognized, make sure it's formatted as XFAT or FAT32, reformat on a computer if necessary. But back up data first, because reformatting erases the card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.